Welcome to Learn Kids Easy. Let's have fun learning together.
Hello, kids! Let's learn the names of birds today. Ready? Swan. S-W-A-N.
Swan. Flamingo.
F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O.
Flamingo.
Eagle. E-A-G-L-E.
Eagle. Vulture.
V-U-L-T-U-R-E.
Vulture.
Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T.
Parrot. Duck.
D-U-C-K.
Duck. Duck. Owl.
O-W owl. Owl.
Owl.
Bat. B-A-T.
Bat. Peacock.
P-E-A-C-O-C-K.
Peacock. Peacock. Pigeon.
P-I-G-E-O-N.
Pigeon.
Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-R-O-W.
Sparrow.
Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-E-C-H.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L.
Hornbill. Macau.
Macau. M-A-A-C-A-W. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y.
Turkey.
Hen. H-E-N.
Hen.
Learn animal names with Mom. This is a C-A-T. Can you say cat? Cats love milk and love to cuddle. This is a D-O-G. Dog. Dog.
D-O-G. Dog.
D-O-G.
Dog.
Look, kids. This is a lion.
Lion.
See this big mane? Lions are strong and brave. Look what we have now. This is a
Rabbit.
R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit.
Yes, a soft little rabbit.
Rabbit.
Who is this funny little guy?
It's a monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Monkey.
Grrr. Who's this big cuddly animal?
It's a bear.
Ooh, who's this clever little animal?
It's a fox. F-O-X.
Fox.
Fox.
Look at this tiny friend. It's an ant. A-N-T.
Auntie. Ant.
Yeah. Nee. Who makes that sound? It's a horse.
Horse. Yes.
A strong and fast horse. Oink, oink. Who says that? It's a pig. Look at this slow, happy friend.
It's a turtle.
T-U-R-T-L-E.
Turtle.
Yes, turtle. Look at this cuddly friend. It's a
Panda.
This is a cow.
Cow. Cow.
This is a mouse. M-O-U-S-E.
Mouse.
This is a goat.
Me.
G-O-A-T.
Goat. Goat.
This is a giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Look, this is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
Elephant.
This is a tiger. Can you say tiger?
Let's count together.
One. O-N-E, one. Look, one apple.
2. T-W-O. 2. See, 2 ducks. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Wow, 3 balloons. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Look, 4 blocks. 5. F-I-V-E-E. 5. Yay, 5 starfish. 6. S-I-X. 6. See, 6 pencils. 7. S-E-V-V-E-N. 7. 7 candies.
8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Wow, 8 teddies.
9. N-I-N-E. 9. Look, 9 flowers.
10. T-E-N. 10. Yay, 10 cars.
Yay! That was fun. Let's count again.
1. O-N-E, 1. Look, 1 apple.
2. T-W-O. 2. See, 2 ducks. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Wow, 3 balloons. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Look, 4 blocks. 5. F-I-V-E-E. 5. Yay, 5 starfish. 6. S-I-X. 6. See, 6 pencils. 7. S-E-V-V-E-N. 7. 7 candies.
8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Wow, 8 teddies.
9. N-I-N-E. 9. Look, 9 flowers.
10. T-E-N. 10. Yay, 10 cars.
Yay! That was fun. Let's count again. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yay! Good job, friends! Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe to Learn Kids Easy.